What's up, good people? It's Larry Jones. How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up. You guys already know, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. If you're new to this page, we're the family known as Stock Up. Hey fam, if you're already rolling with me, hit the like button. I got to tell you about Webull. You deposit $100 into the new account. Click my link below. It helps the page out. And they now offer fractional shares. So if you want $10 worth of Tesla, you can just buy $10. You can start trading Eastern time from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. And it helps the page out. Okay, good people. Let's get right into CCIV that's doing a merger with Lucid Motors. The merger is supposed to take place this coming Thursday, the 22nd. So you need to vote if you have the stock already. You need to cast your vote. Whatever brokerage you are on, go there. You should have a notification and go ahead and cast your vote. Okay. So this video is going to look kind of contradictory because I'm going to be explaining why I sold some CCIV, why I sold it, but what I'm going to be doing after the merger, but why I'm also so bullish on CCIV. All right, let's go right to the charts first. So I have two charts from two different sources, right? These are polls and they are doing estimates. I did a previous video and it's a few dollars off of one of the other estimates, but I like to get different news from different sources. Okay, so these are projections, all right? This is how much Lucid Motors is projected to be worth by the year 2025. That's 4 years from now. In the EV world, 2025 is going to be big because a lot of EV manufacturers will, that is the year that they'll be profitable, some. And so let's look at this. Here we are. This is, let's just go to July. We're in July now as I'm filming this. Let's just go to the end of July, right? July 31st. This is the worst case in scenario. You guys know what I mean. Worst case, middle, and the highest, more bullish. So bearish, bullish in the middle. Okay. So I'm going to go with their bullish one right now, for all intensive purposes. Right here, you got almost $140, $138 a share. From today's price, I think it's like $22. You're talking about a 5-bagger, like a 5.5 bagger. You know, that's like 550% up from where it is now. So you're talking about 5 times in your money, according to this poll, right? And then, I'm sorry, this is not the worst case scenario, but here you got, which is the worst case, is $103. So from 103 to 139, still not bad, right? So let's go to this other poll that I have here. Here we go. And here we are, July 25, 2025. They have it at $1.04, best case in scenario, right here. Yep, I tried to do that. There we go. They have it at $1.04, July 25th. I'm sorry, July 2025. You got it at 104. So kind of goes with this one in their bearish scenario. 103, they had it 104. But the bullish scenario is $139. Okay, I'm very bullish on that. And of course, this is if most things go correctly. And this is maybe things not going correctly. All right. So that's what I want to talk about, good people. I want to talk about why I think why I think that it's going to be a sell-off before the merger happens. Now, the stock market is already going through a sell-off. And I just want to explain to you guys what I think is going to happen for the rest of this week. I think it's a false bounce. And I hope I'm wrong. As I'm filming this, it is Monday night. We had a sell-off. I believe it's going to be an extremely volatile week. There will be buying opportunities this week. But I think that Tuesday or Wednesday, there may be a lot of stock that'll rebound from Monday's sell-off. And that's what I think. Midweek, saying Tuesday, Wednesday, you might have some bounce back, recovery from some of the sell-offs. And then I believe it'll probably dip again. And that's what the market looks like to me. And I hope I'm wrong. I hope it just go on a bull run. Remember, this is for discussion purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. This is for discussion purposes only. I've made a lot of money in 2020 off of SPACs. I understand how SPACs work, and I understand how the nature of the beast changed. And a lot of these SPACs, it is perfect: buy the rumor, sell the news. You run all the way up to the SPAC, and the day before, a lot of times, there's a sell-off. And then the merger happens, and then there's a bigger sell-off. All right. And so that's what I think is going to happen with CCIV before it turns into Lucid Motors. I believe that the sell-off of the overall market probably is going to be, the second sell-off is probably going to be towards the weekend. That's just what I believe. Anything could happen. I could be wrong. But even if it didn't, I think CCIV will have Friday a sell-off, if not Thursday right after the merger. Now, if the merger doesn't happen, there's not enough votes or something gets tabled, that's going to cause CCIV to drop. And I believe it'll drop back down into the teens. That's how far down I believe it could drop. Now, when the merger happens on Thursday, I'm not going to buy right away on Friday. I'm going to wait until next week, because there might be some sell-off Friday, and it also, out of fear, knee-jerk reaction, there might be more sell-off on Monday of next week. And so this is what I want you guys to just look at. So what I want you to do is go back and look at all the past SPACs. Make sure it's a SPAC, special purpose acquisition. See what happened running up to, and see what happened afterwards. Those of us that was in Helion, we know what happened with that. The actual merger got pushed back because they didn't have enough votes and all of this. All right. Now, having said all of that, I believe that CCIV is different, and you can't 100% compare it to Tesla. Now, having said that, even Tesla have cars out already. NIO, there's cars out already. You know, they're making money. This is pre-rev. CCIV is not making any money because they haven't delivered any cars yet, right? And so they have a lot to prove. But I'm going to say that I saw firsthand a Lucid Motors car, the Lucid Air. And here in Illinois at was that Oak Brook Mall, the fine gentleman there did an awesome job displaying that car. I mean, I thought I knew more. I walked in there, good people, thinking I knew more than he did. He was just letting me know about more things that I didn't know about the car. And I will tell you what they have on Tesla: luxury. There's going to be mistakes that Tesla had to make that they're not going to make, but there are going to be some bumps in the road. But that car is so, man, the back seat is like riding in a limousine. The charger on the wall, like if you buy the charger to go into your garage, if your house loses power, it'll power your house from 3 to 5 days. So the car actually starts to recharge the house if the house loses power. I mean, there's so much stuff with the car itself. when you get in the car, I've been in a Tesla, but when you get in the Lucid Motors, you just feel like you're in EV luxury, and over 500 miles with a single charge on the battery, and no other EV player in the United States have that. And so my hat's off to Lucid Motors. They did an outstanding job. One of us, my wife or myself, will be owning a Lucid Motors. So that's why I'm bullish on it. But we want to be smart in the way we get it. So now I have some Lucid Motors in one of my portfolios that I'm not touching until 2025. I have some Lucid Motors that I sold. As a matter of fact, because of the overall market, not because of Lucid, I have 6 figures in cash ready for a dip, a crash, or a correction. And I'm spending every penny of it on stock because I understand after 25 years of investing where we are. While a lot of people are running in fear, I'm looking for opportunity. And I will tell you that by the year 2025, and I'm just going to be quite frank, I have the same amount of money thereabout in both stock, meaning Tesla and CCIV. But from now until 2025, I think I'm going to make more money. I believe I'm going to make more money on Lucid Motors than I am Tesla. And if you ride in the car and look at the car, you'll see why. So all they have to do is uphold their end of the bargain with their deliveries, okay? And just continue to run the car company good. They are doing a lot of things right by starting with their higher priced cars. And then down the road, as you guys look at their charts, they're going to get into the SUVs, crossovers, that type of deal. So far, I love the way that they're doing things. They're doing it right. And I am going to try everything in my power down the road to get the CEO to be on this show. He is the smoothest talking dude you ever seen, man. Ladies, he could steal your bra and sell it back to you. Dudes, he could steal your shorts and sell them back to you at a premium price. This brother is smooth as butter. He's smooth as X-Lax. So, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. I don't want to ramble on, but I just want you guys to know that's what I see. Barring a crash or a correction, I feel like I will get my best price and my safest price because it'll be after the merger. I believe I'll be in at a good price, good people. Hey, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there, good people, all right? Hey, remember to check out the links below and keep up with your boy. I also, a lot of you guys are coming over to Instagram. Join me over on Instagram. You'll see that in the description. It'll be the top link. Hey, I'm positive over there, all positive. I'm a spiritual person. I'm a positive person. I do a lot of positive talking over there. I'm gonna be. And so, and I'm, being myself, doing my music and all of that. So come over there and join me, and we'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.